Hey, what's up, guys? Watching today. I'm going to tell you about the one and only bus and train service, Seattle, in Seattle, Sound Transit. Sound Transit is a train and bus system that carry passengers all through the Puget Sound. It is amazing, and I hope you enjoy. And do ride one of those trains. They're beautiful. Sounder Train. The Sounder Train is a computer train that goes from Sumner all the way to Everett. There are actually two trains, one going from Lakewood to Seattle and the other going from Seattle to Everett. The stations from Lakewood to Seattle are Lakewood, Tacoma, Puyallup, Sumner, Auburn, Kent, Tukwila, and Seattle. The trains from Seattle to Everett are Seattle, Edmonds, Muskego, and Everett, obviously. And one more thing, the Sounder train only goes on the weekdays, so if you're trying to go on the weekends, good luck, because they're only available. So go on the weekdays if you have a day off. That's the best time to go, and they'll also be available on special holidays like a Seahawks game or fair that's national to the state. Here's a picture of the Sounder train. It looks pretty, doesn't it? Yeah, it's a pretty train, it is. The light rail. The light rail in Seattle goes from SeaTac Airport all the way to UW. The UW station's just opened today, and they have a big celebration. Right now at 5 p.m., 20,000 riders went all in UW took the light rail. This train is very slow, not that fast train, but very fun for children and probably for you. The stations are SeaTac Airport, Tukwila International Boulevard, Rainier Beach, Othello, Columbia City, Mount Baker, Beacon Hills, Soto, Stadium, International Districts, Chinatown, Pioneer Square, University Street, Westlake, Capitol Hill, and finally, UW. That's the YouTube video today, and I hope you enjoyed. And there's also, before I leave, I'm going to tell you that there's also a Tacoma Rail that's very short, but it's good, and they're probably going to expand that too. So thank you for watching, and have a nice day.